Hey team, nice to see you tuning in. Here is what's coming in this vlog. 96 divided by 96, which equals 1, and 96 divided by 96 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 96 divided by 96 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 96 divided by 96, and we can write this part as 1 over 96 divided by 96. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 96 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 96, which equals 1 over 9,216, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join the fun.